If you are an HDFC Bank customer, changing your address online is easy. This video will show you how to do it in a few easy steps. Visit hdfcbank.com and navigate to Customer Services. Click on Address Change. Click on Let's Begin to start your address change. Enter your mobile number and either your date of birth, PAN or customer ID. Verify your identity using the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Next, confirm your ID by entering your Aadhaar number or virtual ID. Verify with the OTP received on your mobile. Now update your communication or permanent address if your address is different from the one in your Aadhaar card. Click on Add New to enter the new address. Review details and confirm your updated or new address. Re-verify your identity using your debit card or net banking credentials. That's it. Your request has been successfully submitted and changes will reflect within 24 hours. If you have products linked to your account, such as a credit card or a loan, the address will be updated for these within 3 working days. For details and queries, please visit hdfcbank.com.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.